Today I want to show how easy and hands-on it is to transform and plan for a new lighting experience in a sailing boat. In this boat, in this salon where I will start measuring, I have only used 3 types of products. Power LEDs in the ceiling, a tape here for indirect lighting, a bit stronger, and another tape down here for indirect light under the cupboard. Further, mini sleeve on the flooring. I have some tools with me. I have just a measurement tape, a pencil, and Båtsystem's new plan for just writing down some notes on what products I would need and how much of them. I start with drawing my boat on this piece of paper which I have downloaded from Båtsystem's homepage. I start with drawing the bulkhead, and then I have my forepeak, I have the toilet, the galley, and my aft cabin. And then I'll see which lights I can place where. I start to measure the salon, and here the indirect lighting, because that's what gives the most effect. The tapes themselves should be hidden behind lists. And here I'm lucky enough to have a readily installed list by the yard. But down here there is a list missing, or there was a mislisting. So I have to measure how long this mahogany list should be. So I measure here, and I can see I need 1 meter and 45 centimeters of mahogany list. So I write 1 meter and 45 centimeters times 2, because I need it on the starboard side as well, and I write mahogany list. Behind there I wish to hide the weaker type of tape. So I write weaker tape, 1.45 meters times 2. And the same thing I will do up here. I have measured it to be 3.2 meters times 2, because I need it on the starboard side as well. And here I choose a little bit stronger tape so it can help me to read as well. I have some pens. I draw this onto the plan. I use orange for the mahogany, for instance, on both sides. And then 1.45 meters. I have another color for the weaker tape and yet another color for the stronger tape to remind me where I should install it when it's time for that. Now I have measured the tapes for indirect lighting in the salon. Now I go to the other areas and do the same. This is my favorite, the mini sleeve. It's perfect for night sailing and also cozy evenings. I measure 2 meters of the mini sleeve and the corresponding mahogany list, which I mustn't forget. When I now sum it all up, the products I need and the meters I want to buy, I mustn't forget the LED stabilizer in order to protect the LEDs. And of course breakers or dimmers if I prefer that. If I want a service yard to do the installation, it's a good idea to just take some interior pictures and draw with a pen where you want to have the different installations, because then it's much easier for them to understand.